Let's have a dynamite Christmas with these adorable DIY ornaments and tree topper. I'm going to start out by base coating my toy dinosaurs with this paint for plastic. If you've ever used craft paints on a plastic toy, you know that it'll often flake off really easily. This paint is specially formulated for plastic toys, so it sticks and stays on beautifully. I've never needed more than 2 coats to completely cover up the toy. So that's what I'm doing first, painting on my first layer, and when it dries, I'm going to add a second layer of paint. I'm using lots of fun, bright colors for a pastel Christmas. Now the big dino that's the tree topper is getting an off-white base coat because it will be gold later, and that gold paint will show up better if it's on a white base coat. So you'll see that's what I'm going to do now. I've got this brilliant gold paint, and you're going to see how it really pops when you paint it on top of that off-white base coat. See there? Just love that shine. Who doesn't want a gilded dinosaur? The dinosaur ornaments are going to get their glitter and shine from Glitterific. It's like a clear glue that's packed with glitter particles, and it's awesome because once you put it on, that glitter is stuck. It is not going to shed all over your hands and everything else. So I use a spatula tool to lay that on. It's kind of like icing a dinosaur-shaped cake. So just pat that on there. Cover the whole thing, let it dry, and when it's done, look at this. See how pretty that is? It really sparkles. On the tree topper dinosaur, I used a product that had a little bit less glitter in it. And once that was dry, I can start to embellish everything. Cut some fabric in a rectangle, make a hole for the dino's head, and then let's see those cute little arms, and tie on a waist, and now you very easily created a robe. Use a gold chenille stem to make the halo, hot glue that on, and then hot glue the wings onto the fabric. For the ornaments, just hot glue some loops, and they're ready to hang. Thanks for joining us in this Merry Christmas Palooza, and thanks to Indiana Jones for organizing this fun hop. Don't forget to check out the video description to see all the other cool and exciting Christmas in July projects.